What are you doing, Jimmy? I'll give you some bread. Just wait there. Give you some bread. Good morning to you, Jimmy. Want bread? Okay, you're not. If you want something, then you can come back here. Here. Come on. No? Well, if you want something, you can come over here. No, Kiki. No. Little birdie is here. You want some? I'll feed you now. There. Here. Here. Come on. Don't be shy. I know you want it. Here you go. I know you want this. Here you go. Gotta get in closer than that. I'm gonna fall in a minute. Okay. Here you go. You don't want it? Okay. Here. I was being kind. I'm not gonna hurt you. Here. Here you go. See? Where are you? There. All right. Study, Kiki. Nice? Yeah, I know. It's nice, huh? Where are you going? Where are you going now? Lagi po yan siya pumupunta, yung bird na yan. Kaya ang tawag ko sa kanya si Jimmy. That is Jimmy? Isn't it, Jimmy? Minsan marami yan sila. Maraming Jimmy. They're cute, they're beautiful birds. Be kind to the animals. Ang kwan. Ayan, oh. Very friendly. I got some more if you want more. Meron pa ako dito. Need water?